Hi, boys and girls. Let's get out our rods today. It's been a while since we've used them. I use them sometimes during morning meeting, but it's not always the way you can use them. So, we're going to get out our rods, and we're going to get out our whiteboard. So, here's my whiteboard, and I'm going to put it down here like this so you can see it in a minute. Now remember, when you take out your rods, what's the first thing you do? You take out one of each color. All right? You don't need all of them usually. I don't need two blacks. Just take out one of each. You might have to go in and get something else. When you think you have one of each, and it's okay if you miss one, go ahead and line them up. Remember how we make the staircase to check. Number 1 is white, 2 is red, 3 is green, 4 is purple, 5 is yellow, 6 is dark green, 7 is black. Oh, I didn't get the brown one. 8 is brown, 9 is blue, and 10 is orange. And I had an extra 1, so I'm putting them there. Now, these are in the bag, and I'm going to set them aside. Okay? What I'm going to do today is I'm going to challenge you to make an equation with your rods and then write the equation. Let me show you what I mean, okay? I am going to make an equation for what number? 5. I have to find 2 rods that will equal 5. What are the hidden numbers? You know what's interesting? A rod reminds me of a number bond. So the bottom of my rod is 5. I hope I can do this because I'm writing backwards. So if it's wrong, I'm sorry. The number 5. Now I need to figure out what 2 parts can go there. Well, one way I could do it is I could put the 3 and the 2. Then up here I would write 3 and 2. 3, 2 equals 5. Well, can you write the equation? 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm not sure. I'm hoping you're seeing it the right way because upside down is tough. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or I could turn it around, couldn't I? And put the 2 first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Look what we just did. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then we wrote it. Well, is there a different one we could use? All right, I'm still going to say 5. What other numbers, if we put the 5 back in here, and it's always okay to shut off the video and start again. If the 5 is what we're going to be, are there 2 other numbers we could use? Guys are so smart. 1 and 4. That's right. So how would you fill the number bond? 1, 4. Right? Oops, 1 and 4. Now down here, how would you write the equation? 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Very good. Now what if you turn it around and you do this number first? 4 plus 1 equals 5. It's kind of cool, isn't it, what you can do with this? I'm pretty excited about it myself. So if you did the 5 with me, that's great. I'm going to put this back together. And I'm going to give you a number I want you to try on your own. Okay? I'll give you a choice. If you're feeling really smart today. What's that number? You could do 6. Okay? You could do 6. What 2 rods could you put for 6? If you're thinking, well, maybe I don't want to go with a number as big as 6, you could do this one. You could do 4. What 2 would go here? Now, you're already saying, I might have to get something out of my bag. You know what? Some children might do both of them. Some children might say, oh, I did those and those were easy. Maybe I'll do it with 9. Try it with at least one other number. And parents, if 1 is enough, 1 is enough. If you're seeing that your child has got this, let them try it with a bigger number. Because there are 3 number bonds for the number 5. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 number bonds for the number 6. I'm taking 0 into account. The number 7, so it keeps going up. And it's wonderful if they can come up with all of those equations. But every child is different. And in the classroom, every child would be different. So if your child is struggling and they were trying to follow along with 5 and couldn't do it, that's okay. You know, we're just starting this. Module 4 is all about number bonds. I just like teaching it a little more hands-on. So if they were struggling with number 5 and that was really tough, replay the video so they can try to keep up with me with number 5 and show me their 5 board. If number 5 was easy for them, ask them to do a 6. If they could do 6, say, is there another number you want to try? You're going to have to use your judgment on this one. And for many children, I want everyone to get back on happy numbers at some point this week. Not necessarily today. This might take up a lot of time. I believe I have reset the test to see if we can get some results that are a little more accurate. Thanks, guys. I hope you all have a great day.